Welcome to Technical Drawing. Today we'll see this sum in Oblique. They have given front view and right hand side view. Now if you see O left side front view, so 110 will be on left. Then width is 25 plus 20 plus 15, that is 60, and height is 110. So first we will draw layout. We are drawing oblique. Now in this case, so we'll start with the circle, and if you see side view is 1 unit, so we'll draw circle first. We'll find out midpoint of this, which is 55. So we'll draw one full circle, but we know that only half of that circle is in front and the other half is behind by 25. So what I will do, from here I will go inside by 25. Total I'll go by 60. So first I can draw whatever is there in the front, the same thing is behind. With that concept I can draw circle behind as well. And I can draw tangent. See, after that, from here we'll go inside by 25. From center we'll go inside by 25. Let's take this point as O, and this is 1. So we'll go inside by 25. And from 1 we'll draw a circle of radius 30. Then you go behind by 25. And from here you'll draw a horizontal line. So this is what you will get. You can join these two and these two lines. Now from point 1 we can complete the remaining circle, radius 30. So we'll draw a circle from point 1. Then from point 1 we'll draw radius 55 also. Now if you see at 45 there is another one slot, one line, one cut. So we'll go up by 45 from 1 and we'll draw a horizontal line. So this is that cut. Now we have to take this cut behind by 20. So let's take this point as 2. So from point 1 we'll go behind by 20, that is point 2. And from point 2 we can draw radius. Then we'll draw a horizontal line and then we'll cut. We'll join like this. Now the behind portion, over here there will be tangent. Wait, I'll just show you. This much is dark. Now here there will be tangent. Now over here, unfortunately, since I'm drawing with pen, it will merge. But when you draw it with pencil, it will be proper. So make sure you draw proper tangent over here. Now join this line dark, this line, this curve and the behind curve. Then we need to show depth also. So from the same radius, like let's say 30, you go behind on this point. Let's take that point as point number 3. So from point 3 you draw radius 30 and it will be like this. So this is how it will appear. So I hope everyone understood this. Thank you.